At InterDam, we aim to be part of the solution for the energy transition as we tackle climate change globally. As part of our move to a new location following the merger with InterDam, we wanted to reduce our carbon footprint. We invested in energy saving measures during the renovation of our new office and factory. We also took the decision to utilise the extensive roof space for solar energy. In 2022, the solar panels were delivered. In total, 1,464 panels have been installed with a peak capacity of 600 kilowatt. The expected annual production will be more than 500,000 kilowatt hour, equivalent to the annual consumption of 200 Dutch households. The electricity produced will be used for our own operations, for charging our growing fleet of electric vehicles, and supplied to the public grid. InterDam has been a supplier of solutions for the offshore wind sector for many years. More recently, we have supplied our products and expertise for the growing hydrogen sector. By further reducing the carbon footprint of our operations, we aim to play our full part in the energy transition. InterDam, your shield in the field, now and in the future.